Welcome to AI News. Source: Wired. Millions now use chatbots like ChatGPT for financial advice. OpenAI warns its tool is not a substitute for professionals. Chatbots can confidently hallucinate as they lack a notion of truth. AI tools are also overly agreeable, acting like yes bots. This sycophancy undermines responsible decision-making, a study found. Bots may ask for sensitive financial data for better advice. ChatGPT suggested uploading bank and credit card statements. Source: TechCrunch AI. Tim Cook is stepping down as Apple CEO in September. Hardware chief John Ternus will be his successor. Ternus inherits a business facing significant new challenges. The App Store's 30% fee is under major pressure. Apple's power over developers is also being challenged. This news was discussed on TechCrunch's Equity podcast. The show also revealed a major potential tech deal. SpaceX has a $60 billion option to acquire Cursor. Source: Ars Technica, TechCrunch AI. Google will invest up to $40 billion in rival firm Anthropic. It is committing $10 billion now with $30 billion more later. This follows Amazon's recent $5 billion investment in the company. Both deals value Anthropic at a massive $350 billion. Rapid growth of its Claude and Mythos models caused outages. The company is reportedly considering an IPO as soon as October. Investors provide cloud services, including 5 gigawatts from Google. Anthropic also secured a huge deal for AWS's Trainium GPUs. These deals fuel a fierce AI race for computing power. Separately, Meta will use Amazon's Graviton CPUs for AI workloads. This pulls Meta's business from a previous $10 billion Google deal. The move validates Amazon's custom chip-making strategy. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy aims to win on price performance. Amazon's custom chips now compete with Nvidia's new Vera CPU. Source: The Decoder. OpenAI's chief scientist called recent AI progress surprisingly slow. He promised significant improvements are coming very soon. The company has now released its new model, GPT 5.5. President Greg Brockman calls it a new class of intelligence. It excels at programming, presentations, and using browsers. GPT 5.5 could be a foundation for more efficient models. However, some researchers think this AI approach is a dead end. They are pushing for entirely new AI architectures. Source: Forbes AI. An Anthropic study surveyed 81,000 Claude AI users. High productivity gains correlated with high job displacement fears. High-wage workers and entrepreneurs saw the biggest boosts. Users reported faster work and a broader work scope. About 1 in 5 respondents worried about job loss. Early career workers felt the most threatened by automation. The AI also helped some users start new businesses. Lawyers and scientists reported the mildest productivity improvements. Source: The Decoder. OpenAI's new GPT 5.5 costs about 20% more. It now leads AI rankings with 60 points. Rivals Claude and Gemini are tied at 57 points. The model has a major hallucination problem. Its hallucination rate is a very high 86%. This is far worse than Claude or Gemini. GPT 5.5 matches top scores for a quarter of the cost. Its factual recall improved, but its reliability did not. Source: Superhuman AI, South China Post Tech AI, TechCrunch AI, The Verge AI, MIT Technology Review AI. OpenAI released its new leading model, GPT 5.5. It excels at coding and understanding vague prompts. ChatGPT also now includes the new Images 2 tool. Anthropic's Claude gained built-in memory and app connectors. Microsoft's Copilot now defaults to an agent mode. Meanwhile, Chinese AI firm DeepSeek released its V4 model. It has 2 open-source versions, V4 Pro and V4 Flash. The V4 Pro is the largest open-weight model available. It has 1.6 trillion parameters and a 1M token context. DeepSeek claims it competes with Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic. Its coding performance is comparable to GPT 5.4. It outperforms other open models in coding and math. However, the model lags in knowledge tests by 3 to 6 months. V4 offers top performance at a fraction of the cost. It supports domestic Chinese chips, including Huawei technology. This release follows DeepSeek's successful prior R1 model. The launch faces accusations of IP theft and model copying. U.S. officials accuse it of using banned Nvidia chips. In a separate experiment, an AI named Luna is managing a store. Luna has a $100,000 budget and hired 2 employees. Source: Wired. John Ternus will soon become Apple's new CEO. He must launch a revolutionary AI product for the masses. Apple must simplify AI like it did with the iPhone. Tim Cook's 2024 Apple Intelligence was underwhelming and incomplete. The rise of AI agents threatens the entire app ecosystem. Ternus is seen as a methodical operator, not a visionary. He believes in shipping amazing products, not just technology. If Apple doesn't decode AI, another company will. Samsung is expanding its Galaxy AI features to older phones. The AI tools are now rolling out to S24, S25 models. Google's upcoming Pixel 11 may have a storage flaw. Its base model might stick with an insufficient 128 gigabytes. Honor launched its new 600 series phones globally. The Honor 600 targets the mid-range market from €649. Its EU version gets a smaller battery and 6 years of updates. Huawei launched the first wide foldable, the Pura X Max. That concludes our AI news summary for today. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for your daily dose of AI updates. See you next time.